Logic ERP. Business Insights. Your gateway to data-driven success. Welcome to the future of business intelligence with Logic ERP. The most advanced Logic ERP add-on features to upgrade your retail, distribution, and manufacturing industry. An overview of Logic ERP Business Insights. Logic ERP Business Insights offers powerful dashboards that convert intricate data into actionable intelligence, helping you monitor, analyze, and make proactive decisions for enhanced growth and innovation. Store Insights. Gain a deeper understanding of each store or branch with real-time analytics and comprehensive reports. Optimize store performance, live sales, daily summaries. Real-time data, sales overview, customer insights. Revenue growth, data-driven performance enhancement. Live sales insights. Store performance. Sales insights. Dive into your sales data across all branches to uncover patterns, preferences, and opportunities. Detailed analysis, live sales, daily performance. Comparative data, yearly, monthly, brand, category insights. Identify opportunities, drive revenue with data-driven strategies. Sales analysis. Sales dashboards. Retail sales insights. Understand your customers' buying habits and preferences to tailor your approach and increase retention. Customer behavior metrics, segmentation, sales analysis. Personalized approach, enhance satisfaction and loyalty. New opportunities, discover and act on emerging sales trends. RFM analysis. Customer metrics. Inventory insights. Simplify inventory management with real-time visibility and dynamic analytics. Comprehensive inventory overview, levels, aging, movement. Efficient management, reduce stockouts and overstocking. Optimize supply chain, enhance operational efficiency. Inventory insights. Inventory aging insights. Financial insights. Leverage financial data to drive strategic decisions and improve profitability. Detailed financial analysis, revenue, expenses, cash flow. Forecasting and reporting, better financial management. Actionable insights, make informed investment decisions. Financial insights. Financial summary. Order insights. Stay in control of your orders with real-time tracking and comprehensive summaries. Order management, fulfillment and delivery tracking. Real-time data, sales order, pending orders. Optimize processes, enhance order efficiency and customer satisfaction. Order analysis. Quick insights. Logic ERP Business Insights Licensing Overview. Logic Business Insights comes with flexible licensing options. Access live sale data, day summaries, periodic sales analysis, and more for free. Ready to unlock powerful insights and drive your business forward? Stay tuned for advanced updates on Logic ERP Business Insights. Book your live ERP demo, call us at +9 17341141176. Send your inquiries to sales@logicerp.com.